Hi everyone. Today I want to show you a fully customized product page that my team and I built. This is not a standard theme. It is 100% custom coded. The best part is, even though it's custom code, it is fully dynamic. As you can see here in the Shopify customizer, everything is editable. You can change text, images, and settings easily without touching any code. First, you can see this custom image slider we built. It's smooth and works perfectly on all devices. Below the slider, we added a custom trust section. This highlights key benefits like free installation, 30-day money-back guarantee. Directly below the pricing, we integrated a dynamically products data. Next, we have a size selector. When you choose a different size, the page updates to show the exact price and details for that specific variant. Below that, we added a custom pricing switch. Customers can easily toggle between Go Flex monthly subscription and buy outright. As we scroll down, notice the sticky add to cart bar. This keeps the buy button visible at all times, which helps increase sales. We also organize the product details into clean tabs, so the page looks professional and isn't cluttered. If you're looking for a fully customized, high-converting page for your Shopify store, feel free to reach out. Let's build something amazing together.